everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my updated curl journey. So back in April I did a one month into my curl journey video, and if you look back at it you can already see how much my hair has changed. I haven't really planned what I'm going to talk about in this video, but I'll put lots of photos up of my journey with my curls and how they've changed over the year. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably read about my curl journey. I've written a lot about it on my captions and stuff. If you haven't, I basically, before this year, I straightened my hair basically all my life since I was a teenager, because everyone around me had straight hair. My mum has curly hair and she straightens it every week. And I also didn't know the potential of my hair, that it could get this curly. I'll sit over here so I can put photos here. But before I started going curly, when I washed my hair, it would be like really frizzy naturally, and my hair was all one length and really long, so it was just like this big mess. And I was like, I can't go out like this. But I didn't know that you could put products in it to make it, you know, beautiful and stuff. So I'll put some photos up of me when I had straight hair and what it looked like in between straightening it. My hair was really long all my life, so it's only this year that I went really short. But when I straightened my hair, I never even wore it out, like not much anyway, because most of the time I was like, ugh, it's ugly, like it doesn't look naturally straight, it's all stiff and dead. I would literally slick it back all the time, like I would slick it back into buns, either at the back of my head or the top of my head. But when I discovered the curly community on Instagram and my friends showed me like all these curly Instagrammers, I was inspired and I was like, maybe I should try go curly, because my hair can get curlier. Maybe it's not just frizzy. If I put the right products, it will get curlier. I never would have expected it to get this curly, and it's honestly changed my life, even though it's just hair. But I'm sure a lot of you understand how empowering accepting your natural hair is, or even accepting your natural body, or just accepting something that you thought was your flaw throughout your whole life. Like, it's empowering and it increases your confidence. Now that I do this as a job, which is crazy, it's good that I have this self-confidence, because I didn't used to. And even just watching old videos, I see how much it's changed me and like made me more confident and just more myself. So yes, I haven't straightened my hair this year, and maybe one day I'll like straighten it just to see what it looks like. That'd be weird because I'm really used to my curly hair now. So yeah, I cut out heat and I bought all these new products like Shea Moisture and stuff. I put that in my earlier video, and I also have a curly collection haul video with all the products I use. If you want to see them, I'll leave them down below. So yeah, I started in March, and as you can see in my first curly journey video, like my hair was all the same length. I didn't have any shape like I do now, and honestly getting layers and shape is like the best thing for curls. So I kept getting trims because I just wanted it to be as healthy as it can be. I haven't trimmed it in about 4 months or something now. Like I haven't trimmed it in a while because I'm trying to just grow it out. But in July I got a massive chop, like it was literally a little afro. You've probably seen on my Instagram, and I'll put photos here. And yeah, getting a big chop was scary, but it was also good because it just got rid of all the unhealthy dead ends, and now it's growing out really nicely. But yeah, I've never had my hair that short, and it was like confronting at the start, but I was like, I'm just gonna rock it. And I love that a lot of you got inspired to cut your short curls. I think it looks amazing. I don't know if I'll go short again. I want to try grow them out and see what they look like long. But yeah, some basic tips if you are just starting your curly journey is to have patience. Your curls won't become the best they can be overnight. I don't know if my curls are still transitioning. I don't know if this is at the peak of the best they can be, or maybe I have to give it a few more months and they'll be even more curly. I think this is like the optimal level of health though for my hair. Yes, number 1 is patience. Number 2 is washing it more is better than washing it less. You don't have to put shampoo in every day because that might strip you of all the natural oils in your scalp, but conditioning it is always going to benefit, especially if your hair is really dry and dead. My hair was extremely dry and dead, so I did wash it a lot, and you'll get sick of washing your hair, but it's for the best and they always look better after wash day. Number 3 is get the chop off all the dead ends. You don't have to go as short as I did, and if you're scared of going short, it will always grow back anyway. So number 4 is experiment with different products, see what works for you, like what ingredients work for you. So for me, the best ingredients are like castor oil, argan oil. A lot of rich and super moisturizing ingredients is good for my hair. My hair is super thick as well. Something else I learned is you don't have to put a ton of products. At the start I would put like 4 or 5 different products, like a leave-in conditioner, then a cream, then a mousse, then a gel. but sometimes you can just put 2. My tip is to always use some kind of gel. It doesn't have to be a strong gel, it can be like a natural light gel. For example, Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel is really good and light and healthy for your hair. So putting a gel at the end will really give you that hold, especially if you have like a special event that you want your curls to stay in place, or if it's really humid and hot and you want your curls to not frizz out. I'm wearing the same top I did when I did my first curl journey video. So it's been 8 months and my hair has gotten really healthy quickly, and that's from straightening it for like 10 years. So if you're worried that your hair won't get back to its healthiest state, don't worry, you just have to give it time. Another thing is when I actually got my hair layered and shaped, my curls look so much better rather than all one length. Sometimes that suits people if it's all one length, but for me it was like there was just no shape and it looked dead. But as soon as I got it cut, it looked way more healthier. So I'll just show you the texture now. Very shiny and bouncy. If you have curly hair, you'll know that it never looks the same twice. Like each day is different. Some curls look more frizzy some days, you know, it's like the patterns are always different, but today it's pretty good. It's shiny and you can probably see the difference from when I first did my 1 month video. Okay, I think I've covered everything. If you have any more questions, you can comment down below or DM me on my Instagram. Make sure you're following me and subscribe. I've done a few other curly videos. I've got curly hairstyles, sleeping with curls, my curly collection. I'll link them all down below if you want to know more. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!